Hey guys, Riley McKenzie from Quality Equipment and Parts. Welcome to another product walk around on the Shearex HM60 and HM70 SR forestry mulching heads. These machines are built for track loaders with high flow capabilities of around 65 to 135 horsepower. They're built for production, durability, and with simple maintenance in mind, and let me show you why. Now we're going to start with the Shearex HM60 SR. This model specifically is best equipped on 65 to about 100 horsepower track loaders, such as this ASV VT80 Forestry that we've got it equipped on here. This head weighs in around 2,300 pounds. We've got about a 59-inch cutting width, and we do have 21 resharpenable knives on this drum. Next to me is the HM70 SR. This head is best equipped on a 100 to 140 horsepower machine. Behind me you can see we have it on our ASV RT135 Forestry. This head weighs around 3,000 pounds. We've got about a 74-inch cutting width, and it's got 27 resharpenable teeth. Built in Canada, Shearex engineers their forestry mulching heads for contractors that are doing right-of-way work and land clearing every day. We've got things like bolt-on wear plates and bolt-on liners that are built out of Hardox material, as well as we do have our hoses conveniently routed and hydraulic quick disconnect fittings that are perfect for changing out to other attachments. Now we're on the left side of the mulching head here in the belt box. You'll see we have our dry pulley, our cog belt, and our drum pulley. About every 50 hours, we're gonna pull this cover off and we're gonna adjust our belt tension. In about a minute, we can get this thing ready to go back to work. What really sets Shearex apart is their bite limiter rotor design. With this drum spinning at around 2,400 RPMs, those rings are gonna limit the amount of material that hits each tooth per pass. This is gonna improve our production, and it's gonna lessen the load on the hydraulics of the machine. Shearex also uses their Convex double ring system, which is gonna force the material towards the center of this tooth. This drum features knife-style resharpenable teeth with a single bolt. We do have options to change these teeth out to carbide teeth if preferred. One of the cool things about this design is we do have a keyway made out of a softer metal. In the event that we hit any rock or debris, it's gonna help prevent us from losing an entire tooth holder. One of the things that our customers really appreciate is the value that they get when they purchase a Shearex mulching head. From the time of purchase, a Shearex factory technician will come out to your job site and specifically tune your mulching head to your machine. Also, with the purchase of the Shearex, you will get a maintenance kit. And in this maintenance kit, you will get a DeWalt 60-volt grinder that is used for resharpening your teeth. You also get a spare set of knives, bolts, washers, and nuts, as well as a socket for changing your teeth, and a tube of grease for the high-speed bearings that are in this mulching head. Wrapping it up now, the Shearex HM60 and HM70 SR forestry mulching heads are backed by a 1-year, 2,500-hour warranty. The Shearex product has been proven to provide reliability, durability, and production in the field for all of our contractors. If you're interested in one of these models, give our team a call and we'll figure out which one fits your machine best. Thank you for watching today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.